Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix if TikTok keeps adjusting the same accounts. So, if TikTok keeps adjusting the same accounts over and over, even after you've dismissed them, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you several ways to refresh your recommendations. So, first, open TikTok app and tap your profile in the bottom right corner. Next, tap the three-line menu in the top right. Then go to settings and privacy. Once you're here, scroll down and look for contacts and location and select that. Now in here you can turn off contacts, you can turn off Facebook friends, people who open or send links to you. You can also turn off sync contacts. If prompted, just tap open settings, then click contacts and select none, then go back to TikTok. Again, go to settings and privacy, then go to contacts and location, then turn off sync Facebook friends as well. Just toggle it off. And also select remove previously synced Facebook friends and click remove to confirm the action. You can also remove previously synced contacts if it is enabled. And that's it. So when you turn these off, so TikTok is likely to recommend people you know. And that's all you need to do. You should start seeing fewer suggested accounts over time. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.